Hello again, and welcome to another episode of The High Techman. I'm your High Techman. I am Ken Chan, and it's been a while since I have made a video, and that's because I haven't come to any hurdles. More recently, I have switched to Arch Linux as my daily driver on most of my desktop and laptops. And one of the hurdles that I've run into is file sharing among my Arch machines. File sharing on Arch is not easy to set up if you're going to use the traditional, Gigolo and Samba share kind of thing. That's extremely difficult, and it takes forever, and it's just blech. So I was looking for an easier solution, and I found one. I found actually a few. The first one I found was a thing called Warpinator. Not as smooth as I'd like it to be. You push files onto another machine. It has to be installed on both machines, the machine you're sharing from and the machine you're sharing to. And the machine you share to, though, there has to be somebody. You have to, if you're going to send it, like say you're on a second floor and you're going to send it down to a computer on the first floor, you got to run downstairs, you got to accept that file. That's a PETA. So I found this one called nitroshare, and it does the same thing. It pushes files onto another machine, but you don't have to accept it. It just does it, and it works. It actually works very, very, very well. It's very fast. It's for easy and quick file sharing. It does folders and files, videos, documents, music, etc. And it also works with Windows, iOS, Android, etc. I have it on my phone. I have it on my Chromebooks. Also works with Windows, iOS, Android, etc. But again, like Warpinator, it has to be installed on the machine you're sending from and the machine you're sending to. So every machine that you're going to use this feature, this function, this application, this nitroshare on, you have to have it on every machine that you're going to do it, that you're going to be using it with. So, but that's not that hard to do. And for Arch, anyway, and this video is Arch-centric. We're centered on Arch. We're not going to go into how to do this with Windows and iOS and Android and all that stuff. Or even any other Linux. We're just going to talk about Arch. So to install it on Arch, it's easy. Open a terminal, and here you go. Sudo pacman space -S nitroshare. Okay, and you put in your password, and boom. And you'll have it installed. And I will put this below so you can just copy and paste this if you want to. I mean, why work that hard? So yeah. That's how you do that. And once you do that, this is what it looks like. Now, I'm using XFC4. It might be a little different on GNOME or some of the other flavors. But this is what it looks like on XFC4. It puts it on your panel right here once you open it up and start it. And it gives you indications like my phone. I just turned my phone off, so it shows that my phone has left. But if you right-click on it, here's your director here. You can send files, send directory, view transfers, settings, about QT, and exit. So let's send a file. Looks like this. You pick a file from your stuff, and I'm going to pick an Arch logo. I already had this open. So let's pick that. And it'll go into the other machines that have nitroshare installed on it. Gives you your list, your choice. You can only send to one at a time. But I'm going to send this to this machine over here in the corner. You can't see it, but it's over there in the corner, and it is. And then I hit OK. Nitroshare transfer with Motocode succeeded. There it is, 100% succeeded. I did it a little earlier. I sent something else too. But here it is, it succeeded. So we can also clear the list there, and that's all done. So, and it's that simple and that easy to use and that easy to install. So there it is. So, hopefully this helps you out if you're new to Arch or like I said, it does work with other Linuxes. Linux, is that right? Linux is Linuxi, Linux, but and other operating systems like Windows and iOS. But you might have to with another Linux, you may have to install a repository. We're focused on Arch here today, so that's it. If you like this video, be sure to smash the like button. Be sure to share and subscribe, and we will see you here next time.